Alright, this quick video will be how to set up a Ring Chime. This is a plug-in chime module. This will work the same as the Ring Chime, the Ring Chime Pro. Both of them you add the device basically the same way. What's in the box is a small starter card. The chime itself, almost every Ring device you'll see on the back of them has a QRC code. Those QRC codes are important. I try to install my Ring devices before I hook them up, like if you're doing a camera or something like that. It's a lot easier to do that now and scan that code in and then hang the camera later versus to hang the camera and then try to climb up and find the QRC code if everything doesn't go right. So basically what we want to do, first thing is to open our Ring app up. So once our Ring app's up, we want to go all the way to the bottom and we're going to add a device or set up a device. We're going to click on Chimes. It's going to ask you to scan the QRC code that I just showed you a second ago. Scan the QRC code. It's going to pop up, ask you for your address. You can pick the location, you can type in a custom one if you wanted to. Then the next step is to plug it into the wall. So now we're flashing green. We're going to go back to our app. We're going to chime is on. It's going to say wait till it's flashing green, which we did. It's going to ask to join the setup network. You hit join. Connects to the chime. This can take 2 or 3 minutes sometimes. Usually it happens within the first 30-40 seconds. Once it does that, it finds your network. You click on your Wi-Fi network. Once it connects to the network, it comes up successful. Hit continue. Follow the instructions from there. You can select different alerts if you want different alerts to apply to that. So if you want to increase the alert, if you want to send alerts from, like let's say a floodlight camera to that, you could do the different alerts so you know which zone it was by the noise it made. I'll skip that for now. You can select the tones that you want to hear play. I'm going to skip that for now. Then you can hit I'm done. Now this will take up to about 15-20 minutes to actually download new software firmware. Sometimes it pops up and tells you it's downloading the firmware, sometimes it doesn't. But if it doesn't respond right away or if it stops working immediately, just keep in mind that it's going to do a firmware update. Once it's done with the firmware update, everything should work as normal. And that's really all there is to adding it to the device. Once you click on your chimes, it'll tell you whether it's online, offline, snooze mode. And like I said, as soon as I did that, it's showing me that's currently updating the software. Sometimes it pops up and tells you it's going to update. Sometimes it doesn't. But before you do any more settings, basically wait for the 15-minute update. And from there you can see in the background audio settings where you can change the music notes. Snooze, basically just like you're doing your front door or something so it doesn't notify you. And then general settings like the Wi-Fi password and stuff. The Ring Chime Pro is almost identical to that, except for the Chime Pro actually acts as a Wi-Fi repeater also in your house, whereas this one just acts as a doorbell.